What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to send crypto from the Phantom wallet to the Magic Eden wallet. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So first we need a wallet address of the wallet to which we want to send some crypto. So I will open my Magic Eden wallet, because that's the receiver wallet, to get that wallet address. Once your Magic Eden wallet loads up, I will click on the receive button right here. So in my case, I want to send out some Solana from my Phantom wallet to my Magic Eden wallet. So I will just copy my Solana address by clicking this copy icon right here. So now my public address is copied, and I will go back and open up the Phantom wallet. Now when I'm on my Phantom wallet, I want to click on the send icon right here and select the crypto that I want to send. In my case, like I mentioned, it's Solana. Now I will click on this search bar here and paste the address that we previously copied. Then just click Next. Here you need to select the amount of crypto that you want to send. So in my case I will send 0.1 Solana and click on the Next button again. And on this newly loaded page, you can see the network fee. Because we're on Solana, this is very low, so if everything looks fine here, you can just click the send button. And once you click it, the transaction will be finalized. So as you can see, it says sent. Now I will click close. And I will go back onto my Magic Eden wallet just to see if the crypto already arrived. And because it's Solana, it should already arrive. So here on my push notifications, it says that I received the Solana, but let's now refresh it. So now it refreshed and I can see the Solana that I received. So in the activity, I can see that I received 1 Solana just a few moments ago. I mean 0.1 Solana just a few moments ago. So that's how you can send crypto from your Phantom wallet over to your Magic Eden wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.